Hey art friends, today we're going to draw something really special. What are we going to draw?
The Nativity.
Yeah, the Nativity. When it's all folded up, you're going to see the outside of the stable. And then when you open it, what's going to be inside? Or who's going to be inside?
Baby Jesus.
Yeah?
Mary and Joseph.
Mary and Joseph. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You need something to draw with. We're going to use markers. You also need some paper and
something to go with.
All right, let's start. Okay. We're going to first start by folding our paper in half. We're going to take the top edge, fold it down to the bottom, line it up, and crease it down the middle.
And voila.
Voila. Then we're going to open up our paper, and we're going to take this top edge, and we're going to fold it down to the middle, line it up, and crease it down the middle, out to the corners. Then we're going to also take the bottom edge and we're going to fold that to the middle also. Right down, middle, out to the corners. Then we're going to take our paper and we're going to turn it sideways so that the middle of our paper is going up and down, and we can open it up and then flatten it out. Then we have some scratch paper and we're going to put this underneath our drawing so that because we're using markers to draw with, sometimes the marker bleeds through the paper, gets onto the table. Now we're going to use our markers to draw with. And we're first going to draw the ground that our stable is sitting on. So we're going to start down here at the bottom and we're going to draw a curve like this at the bottom. And we could actually go past and all the way to the edges if we want to. All the way to the side. Now we have the 3 folds going up our paper. We're going to first put a dot in the center fold right up here. So this is the top of our stable. Then we're going to draw the sides inside of each of these outside folds. So let's first draw a diagonal line that comes out to the side, and I'm going to go all the way to the little fold. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Good job. Now let's draw another one right below that. We're going to draw another upside down V right below the first one. Then we're going to connect those 2 lines, the top down to the bottom. And then we're going to draw this side of the stable. So we'll draw one line over here and one line over here. Now we're drawing the inside of our stable, so we're going to draw the manger first, and we're going to draw really simple shapes to keep this lesson nice and easy. So we're going to draw 2 lines that come straight up. There we go, and then we're going to connect them at the top. Then we're going to draw baby Jesus' head. He's going to be laying down in the manger, so we're going to draw a little upside down U shape.
He's so cute.
Yeah. Then we're going to draw his body. We're going to draw another upside down U that's bigger, and he's wrapped in swaddling clothes. So we can draw little lines going up and down. Next, let's draw his little eye, and we can also draw him smiling. Now let's draw Mary. We're going to draw an upside down U. We're going to start right here. And we're going to go up, and then we're going to go back down, all the way down to the ground. Now we're going to draw her face. We're going to draw a circle inside of that upside down U shape. And then we can draw her eyes and a smile. She's happy. Okay, let's also draw hair. Let's skip her hair. We'll draw a little curve going to the side. And we can also draw another curve going the other direction. Who are we missing?
Joseph.
Yeah, Joseph. Let's draw another circle on this side. And I drew it the same size as Mary's head. There we go. And then we can also, let's draw a line across the top of his head. We can also draw 2 little circles for his eyes and also a little smile. Okay, and then we're keeping it really simple. We're going to draw a line that connects down. And then we're going to draw another line over here to connect down to the ground. Hallie, what else should we draw?
The star.
The star. Okay, let's draw an upside down V Draw it above the stable. And then we'll draw 2 lines that come straight out on each side of the upside down V. Yeah. Then we're going to draw diagonal lines coming down from those straight lines. And then we're going to draw a W shape to finish the star. So go down, up, down, and connect. Good job, Hadley, you did it. Now you guys at home can add even more details to the nativity scene, but we're going to leave it just like this and keep it nice and simple. Next, we're going to fold our paper back up. Now, I don't know if it shows up on our camera, but you should be able to see your drawing through the paper. And so we're going to trace back over our stable. We're going to start with the roof. We'll start up at the top, and we're going to draw the first diagonal line down on each side. Then we're going to draw the bottom part of the roof. We're going to draw that same upside down V right below the first one. Yeah, and then the same thing on the other side. And this part we're going to go a little faster because we're just repeating the same steps. Then we're going to connect the outside. Then we're going to draw the side of the stable. Oh, we could have drawn the ground first. That was actually the first step, huh?
Yeah.
That's okay because we're tracing it so we know where the ground is. We're going to start over here and we can draw a line that comes all the way over to the other side. Good job. Now let's draw the front or the door on the stable. We're going to draw 2 lines up for the door, the front door. We're going to draw one on the left side and one on the right side. There you go. And then we can connect those 2 lines at the top. Yeah. Then let's draw another one, another rectangle or square shape inside of that. A little smaller, but just repeat the same steps, go all the way around. There's the door frame to the inside of our stable.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we could also let's draw a diagonal line too. So I'm going to draw a diagonal line that comes across. And I'm going to draw another one right below that one.
Like a farm.
Kind of looks like a farm, yeah. And let's add one more thing. What should we add?
The star.
The star. Okay, let's just trace over the same star that we drew underneath. So I'm going to draw that upside down V, 2 lines straight out, diagonal lines down, and then the W shape to connect the bottom. Oh, good job, Hadley. We did it. Now when you open it up, you can see baby Jesus, Mary, and Joseph inside. Now we still need to do one more step. What is it?
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color it. This part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end, you guys can pause the video to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Give it 5, Hadley. You did such a great job on coloring your cute little stable. Let's show our friends the inside. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
It looks super cute. I love your drawing the most. Now, it's okay that our 2 drawings look a little different, right?
Yeah.
And it's okay if their drawings look different too, because the most important thing is
To have fun.
have fun and to
Practice.
practice. Yeah. What else could our friends add to their drawings over here on the sides?
Donkey.
Yeah, you guys could add a donkey or even sheep. You could also add shepherds and even wise men.
Yeah. And an angel.
Yeah, of course, an angel. We hope you guys had a lot of fun following along with us, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.